Well, the first question I've got comes from Ray, and he happens to be a student in my online MIG welding course, so he's got a question about what he's learning. Hi, Steve. Do you start your weld by bringing the wire holder to the workpiece or by advancing the wire feed to the workpiece? It looks to me like the holder is stationary and you advance the wire feed to make initial contact with the metal. Yeah, Ray's right. I should give you a little background though. A MIG welder is an electric welder that's the easiest of all to use. You can learn to use one in about 30 minutes or so. The claim to fame is that it's got an energized wire, thin wire, that comes out of the handle you hold. So you don't have to worry about feeding another welding rod into the welding zone. It does that automatically. Some MIG welders can also shield the weld area with an inert gas, which makes for a really great looking weld. I like MIG welders a lot, and that's why I built my course around that. You can learn more about the course in the description box and in the top pinned comment if you want to learn more. But Ray is completely right. You don't get too close to the metal when you're starting a weld. You just get close enough, maybe half an inch or so. You pull the trigger, the energized wire automatically advances, and when it gets close to the metal, it creates an arc, and you start welding. So super easy to use. I don't know what I'd do without my MIG welder. So there you go, Ray.